Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you one trick that can significantly improve the performance of your Google Chrome browser and also improve the speed. So in this tutorial I will show you how to enable the graphics media acceleration, GPU acceleration inside Google Chrome. So simply go into the top right section, go to settings, and right here in the system right here, just click the system, and right here you will see this option, use graphics acceleration when available. So this is actually is by default it's not turned on, so you can basically turn this option. Personally, after doing this, we just need to relaunch the browser here. After making this change, you just need to restart your Google Chrome browser. After making this change, significantly the performance is improved because it is using your GPU in running the Google Chrome browser. So graphics media acceleration is there. So if you have a dedicated GPU, you can definitely check it by going to Task Manager. So now Google Chrome will use not your CPU, instead it is will be using your GPU. So I do have a dedicated GPU, so it is actually using my NVIDIA GPU card. So this is actually the option. You just need to activate this by going to the system and then activating this option, use graphics acceleration when available. So this will significantly improve the performance. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.